If in a infinite series circuit C is equal to 9 microfarad and C1 is equal to 6 microfarad, then the capacitance across AB is nearly. So now this is the question of infinite series. How do we solve this question? So what we will do, we will see the symmetry. So this is the starting point of this. So this is our first capacitor, this is our capacitor C1, and this is our another capacitor C, and these are the 2 points. Okay, and now you can see again, if you go little bit further, another capacitor C is coming and so on, and another capacitor C is coming and so on, and same capacitor C1 was there, so C1 was there, so this capacitor C1 is again here. So what does it show here? If you for example, if you don't see this part for a while, then do you think the remaining part is actually giving the same thing which is actually given in the question? What do I mean? Suppose if I remove this part from this, again because this is an infinite series, so all parts will be the same only. So suppose that remaining part is having the capacitance X. So assume remaining part is having capacitance equal to X. Okay, so remaining part is having the capacitance equal to X. That means now if I draw the diagram, you will have a diagram like this. This will be your C1, this will be your C2, sorry C, and this will be A and B, and remaining part will have the capacitance of X. So we can actually keep this X like this. So our circuit diagram will be like this. So this is the standard method to solve such type of series, for resistance also, for capacitance also. Now we are provided the information that C is equal to 9 microfarad and C1 is equal to 6 microfarad, correct? So here this X and this C1, which is actually 6 microfarad, these will be in parallel. So what is the equivalent of these two? So we will have the equivalent of these two will be X plus 6 microfarad, correct? So we can have the diagram like this: C X plus 6 and another C which is 9 microfarad and which is 9 microfarad. Okay, and net of this will have the equivalent capacitance equal to X only. Why? Because this is the part of that infinite series only. So finally whatever the values will come, that should be equal to X itself. So net value of these, so these three are in series now. So how do we solve it? So in order to solve it, we need to use the series formula. So we know that series formula is equal to C equivalent is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3, because we have 3 capacitance. Now solve it. Solve it. What are we getting on solving? So here 1 upon C equivalent will be 1 upon X, 1 upon C1 will be equal to 9 plus C2 will be equal to here X plus 6 and another 1 upon 9. So what we can do, we can keep X terms aside. So 1 upon X minus 1 upon X plus 6, and this will be obviously 2 by 9. So here we can take LCM X plus 6, this will give X plus 6 minus X only. This will be 2 by 9, correct? So this will be cancelled out. We are getting 6 divided by X plus 6. So to solve this, we get 2 by 9, 6 upon X plus 6 will be equal to 1 upon 3. So now if you take it, you get X plus 6 will be equal to 27. So we are getting X square minus x square plus 6x minus 27 will be equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. Now we need to solve this quadratic equation, correct? So how do we solve it, this quadratic equation? So we know that x square, so 9 into 3 will give us the 27. So 9x minus 3x minus 27 will be 0. So x plus 9 will be common, minus 3, again x plus 9. So x plus 9 into x minus 3 is the value. So one time x plus 9 is equal to 0, which gives us x equal to minus 9, which cannot be answer because capacitance cannot be negative. Another possible solution is x minus 3 is equal to 0, so which gives x is equal to 3 microfarad. Yes, this is possible answer because capacitance will be obviously positive. So x equal to 3 is the right answer. So which option is correct? Third option is definitely answer.